Good morning, everyone. It's Greg. Welcome to Buckeye Freight Railing down here in House on the Hill in Miamisburg, Ohio. This is the CSX track behind me, and up there you have the Norfolk Southern tracks. So we got M558 coming up now. I hear him blowing, so let's get after it. Thanks for watching, guys. All right, 558's coming up. He runs Cincinnati to Willard, Ohio. Cincinnati to Willard, Ohio. M558. It's 7:30 in the morning. It's darker than the camera lets it seem like, but I'm gonna get his headlights coming down through there. Should be a decent shot. All right, 558 coming at you. Oh yeah. Right, that's M558 rolling north. Going to be an off and on type rain day here. Had a lot of rain last night, as you can see by the puddles. So we'll deal with it, man. We'll deal with it. We needed it. We got about an inch this week so far. Thanks for watching. All right, we got a train coming. Not sure what he is. It's an auto rack. I believe that's M276. Quite sure. It's either 276 or 216. All right. You're saying, well, this ain't Miamisburg House on the Hill. No, this is Carlisle. I came out to get some coffee, didn't know this guy was coming, and guess what? Here he was. So I got him. Thanks for watching. Okay, that was Norfolk Southern. I didn't even realize he was coming up. That's just the Franklin local, though. Down here we got M560 coming up. He runs Cincinnati to Syracuse. I think I got that right again. Cincinnati to Syracuse, New York. Okay, something he has on here is a mother locomotive and a slug. I think the mother just provides electrical power for the slug, so we'll find out. I'll be back when he gets here. All right, finally M560's coming up. He had to stop down the tracks there. Dayton is up that way about 20 miles. And if you saw my video yesterday, you saw there was all kinds of mow equipment up there. Well, they shut it down for a little bit up there to do some work. And that last train, that was M216, that auto rack, wasn't 276. But anyway, he's just now getting through Dayton, and it's been 2 hours ago almost. So that's the holdup. All right, look for the slug on this lash up here. Third locomotive was the road slug. is M560. Cincinnati to Syracuse, New York. He used to go to Selkirk, New York, but he's to Syracuse now, according to the CSX symbols on the internet. All right, that I don't know if you heard me, but that third engine was the road slug. All right, thanks for watching. All right, I think we got L408 coming up. Short but sweet. That was the empty taconite train, L408. He runs Middletown, Ohio to Lima, Ohio. All right, I'd rather see him full, but can't have everything now, can we? All right, folks, let's get some more. Stay tuned. Looks like the local's coming back. This is LO4. I think he went up to work Moraine and now he's coming back. Looks like he's only got one, maybe two cars on there, I'm not sure. Two of them. That's it. All right, meanwhile, we got M561 coming down. Let me go down there and get him. It's been 2 hours since we've had a train here. It's just been slow today. That happens. All right, here comes M561 now. Selkirk, New York to Cincinnati. And he is coming at you. Might have some of that smelly trash on there. Definitely had some trash on there, but I didn't smell it. And that's a good thing. All right, guys, thanks. Hey, guys, I am going to go down into town and check the signals. If there's nothing coming, I'm probably just going to head home. Been a long day and hardly anything to shoot, but that happens in rail fanning, and that's okay. Some days we get it like I did yesterday, and some days we don't get it. So, all right, folks, thanks for watching.